What if I could tell you that you could get new email subscribers every single day without ever opening Instagram or posting on social media for that matter? Well, in the next 10 minutes, I am going to walk you through how I have used Kit's Creator Network to add 700 subscribers without running paid ads, without posting on social media. And the best part, it took me less than a few hours to set up. And now it literally runs on autopilot. But here's the thing, most people are not using the Creator Network properly. In fact, a lot of creators inside Kit haven't even bothered to set it up, and it is such a missed opportunity. So, let me show you what they're missing and how you can amplify your own Creator Network profile and start getting new subscribers joining your world without having to really do a thing. And I'm using air quotes on purpose because you are obviously doing something, but it doesn't feel like anything extra because it's not. Let's dive in. So, the first thing that I want to do is talk to you about what Kit Creator Network actually is. Now, from your own Kit account, you are going to navigate over to where it says grow, and you will see that there are two things that we're going to talk about. We've got the recommendations, which is the Creator Network, and then we've got our creator profile, which is what the second half of this video is going to be focused on and is the power of the Creator Network. But first, I want to show you the recommendations area, aka the Creator Network. Now, you can see here that there are lots of different things. You can see here that there are people who are recommending me. You can see that I've got recommendations, and you can see that if I click on discover, that there is a whole bunch of things that you can do. Now, if you are like me and you want to collaborate, this is one of the best places for you to find collaborators, because there are going to be so many people that you would not necessarily be able to find that you can search here. So, for example, I work with nonfiction authors, aside from other things. One of the things I help nonfiction authors do is set up their email list and start collaborating with other authors. The easiest way to find authors is to actually just type in author, and then you're going to see that there are a ton of authors who are listed in here, and these are all people that you could potentially reach out to. Now, it depends, right? If you are looking for someone to collaborate with, you could type in things like email marketing, you could type in social media, whatever it is that you're looking for. But you can see here that there is literally an endless supply of authors if I was wanting to connect with them. So that is the power of the Kit Creator Network, is that it allows you to actually find people who are part of what it is that you're trying to do, and you can do newsletter swaps, that type of thing. The other area here is that there is the recommendations piece. Now, this is part of the power of the Creator Network, and it's not all of it, but it's a big chunk of why I'm getting new people joining my world every single day from the Creator Network, because there are people who are recommending me. So you can see here that there are 148 creators who are recommending me, and in the last 30 days I've had 684 subscribers just from people recommending me. But what it does do is allow me to see who is recommending me and what kind of conversions are happening, all of those things. So you can see here, it gives you a really good understanding of, who's actually doing really good recommendations and what that kind of looks like, what their audience is, all of those things. So this is the power of the Kit Creator Network, and why you want to go to the trouble of actually setting up your profile. Because as I said, the number one thing that people are missing is their actual profile. And if you don't set up your profile, there is just a default profile that is set, which literally has nothing on it. So if you have Kit, you definitely want to go through the process of setting this up. And if you are interested in what it really looks like to make daily sales, I have this amazing checklist called the Daily Cash Flow Checklist, and it breaks down everything that I do every
every single day to make daily sales and comes with a walkthrough video. So all you have to do to grab that is to go to the link that's on your screen right now, or check out the description for more details, and then you will absolutely get a very clear picture of what it looks like to make daily sales and how you can do that for yourself too. So let's go through and set up your Kit Creator profile so that you can take advantage of all the amazing things that you get if you set this up correctly. Now, the first thing that you're going to see is my profile. So I'm going to open this up so you can actually see it, and I'll link to it in the description below so you can come and check it out for yourself. Now, as you can see, it actually acts as a mini website. So if you're someone who is sitting there going, oh, I really love the email marketing side of things, but I don't really want a website. I just want everything to happen inside my email. Number one, you are totally speaking my damn. And number two, you can get away with using this as your website because you can create custom pages and a whole bunch of other things. So for what the purposes of what I'm doing is I'm basically using this as a mini content hub. And what I choose to do is once or twice a week, I will take one of my daily emails and make it public. And this is the other thing that I love about this is that I'm not having to write anything new. I'm literally just making something available that I'm already doing. So you can see here that I have a little bit of a blurb, and depending on the design layout will determine what this kind of looks like. But you can see here that it's short and sweet. It speaks directly to who it is that I'm actually helping. And it's a little bit of an come and join me type scenario. So it just says, hey, I'm Lise. I share weekly strategies to help creative entrepreneurs grow a profitable online business without using social media based on my work with over 1,000 business owners and lessons from my own experiments. And then I've just said I'm a best-selling author, motivator, content creator, human design lover, and traveling the world, laptop in hand, current location Thailand. So then I just simply ask people to enter their email address, and then I've said you can join 5,000 plus creatives because I have over 5,000 people on my email list. And that's it. When they enter their email address, they now come into my email, and then they go through the normal welcome sequence, all of those things. But let's just say they don't decide to join, but they can read all of this content. And this is what I love about the Creator Network is that when you set up your creator profile, you've got all these posts. You can see it says how many months it was published, that type of thing. So you can see here 29 days ago, 28, 12, and then this was published a day ago. And when you click on it, it actually opens this up into an individual blog post, but it's written like an email. And this is what I love because it is an email. And then it just goes through and people can see I link to things, all of those things. And this is actually promoting a video. And then if they wanted to explore more, they can. And then it ends with my footer, which to join my email list. So I love this. So that is kind of the post setup. Then if you look at the links, this is where I can link to various different things. So I'm linking out to my 1K lab, and then I'm talking about getting your free business human design chart. Now I get at least 5 people a day just from someone clicking on this, not to mention other areas of them joining. So use the links strategically, and then you can link out to whatever you want. And then the recommendations tab is who I am recommending. Now I've set this up to basically scroll through a few different options. So at the moment it's showing 5, and this actually scrolls through 5 different options. And it shows you that there are some that are sponsored, which means that I get paid if someone joins their world from my recommendation. Another kind of side way of making some money as a creator on Kit's Creator Network. So what I wanted to show you next is just how you can go through and design all of this and set it all up. So here is where you can come in and set everything up, and there are a number of different design templates. So if I click on browse, you can see you can keep this really simple. You can go with lots of different options. Honestly, there's so many different ways. By default, the Hudson one is chosen, and if you don't have anything linked up, like if you're not posting to it or anything like that, it will literally just be this little white box at the top with the button, and that's it. And that's not enough for people to get a feel for what it is that you do, which is why I recommend at least once a week publishing one of your broadcast emails to link it to your creator profile. So you just go through and choose whichever design you like. And then once you've done that, it will then show you what it looks like over here. And then you're just going to go in and edit all the different components. So you can see here, it's got my brand colors, it's got my fonts. If I wanted to apply advanced CSS, I could, but I'm not going to. The things that you want to pay attention to are your navigation menu. So you can see here that if you were selling products, digital products through Kit, you could turn that on. I'm choosing not to, but you can add external links as well in the navigation menu. But I like to keep things pretty simplified. So I do it that way because at the end of the day, all of my external links are in the links area. Then the sign up form. Now, obviously this is where the power is, and you want to make sure that you go through and set this piece up. So when you set this up, you want to make sure that you edit this to reflect the fact that they are coming in through the creator network. So you can see here, I'm just saying, hey, lovely, because I won't necessarily know their name. Thanks for signing up. Here's everything, thanks, click here and confirm your subscription, blah, blah, blah. And then click here to get started, which is going to take them to a playlist on YouTube that walks them through a whole bunch of different things. You can see here, I've got a URL. Never auto confirm new subscribers. You definitely want them to make sure that they're opting in. And then you can see here that you've got all these other components. Now, links is where you can come in and add in your own links. You can change colors, all of those things. If you wanted to do the newsletter posts, you can see here, share newsletter posts. You can choose how they are. You can select specific posts. And if you were doing a paid newsletter, then you could also choose to do that. You can also just simply write a post. Right? You don't even have to create this as a newsletter or an email. So it's entirely up to you how that works. And then you can see here that you've got custom pages. And this is where if you wanted to create an about page or anything like that, you could absolutely do that here. There's so many options. Make sure that you fill out your SEO. So you want to make sure that your title and description are completed with whatever it is that you want to be found for. And I'm just keeping mine essentially the same as what I've got here because I like to keep things really simple. Now, the last thing that I wanted to show you is just how easy it is to publish your actual emails to your area. So basically what it's doing is when you come to here, you can see that there's lots of different options that you can do. And you can see here that I have got, this is the one that I actually publish. And you can see here that it's actually switched to public. So anything that's got a black is public. And that's as simple as this needs to be. Don't need to make this any. So if you're ready for coaching, accountability, and implementation, guidance, support, all the things, then I'd love for you to come and check out the feedback loop. The link on your screen is where you can go, or you can just simply check out the link in the description. And I can't wait to work with you soon. So your literal action step is to go and set up your creator profile. Make sure it's all connected, set up, add in your links, add in recommendations. And the second step is to go and have a look at the creator network for yourself and find people that you can recommend and start doing that. And then thirdly, bonus, if you want to do any individual newsletter swaps, go and have a look at your own kind of creator network discovery area and find people who are a good fit. But before you reach out, make sure that you join their email list first so that you can make sure that whatever it is that they're talking about actually aligns. And in the next video that is coming up on your screen, I am going to help you turn your newsletter into a cash generating machine. I can't wait. I'll see you in that video.